Hello everybody, I'm here to show you how to make a program that will tell you how far your robot has to go. Now, you'll need the complete palette for this program, which you get by going down here and clicking. Now, one of the also other most important things is you need comments, which you can do by double clicking with the mouse or by using the bubble. Now, you'll first want to start out with a loop, which is from the flow or the orange arrow. Then you want a rotation sensor, which is from the sensor or the yellow one. Now, you'll want as many rotation sensors as the motors you're going to measure. So if you're measuring B and C like I have, you'll need two. One for B and one for C. Then you want to make sure both are at reset. Then you'll need another loop. Then you'll need a timer, which is from flow. You'll need to make sure it's on time, and the seconds is 0.1. Now, you'll need another rotation sensor, and then a numbered text block, and which is from the advanced section, which is the 4 red squares. Then you'll need a math block, which is from the orange plus or the data section. Then you'll need another numbered to text. Then you'll need two displays, which are from the orange action area. Not orange, sorry, the light green action area. You want to take the degrees from the program, connect it up to the number to text block, then connect the degrees to the math block, connect the output of the math block to the number to text block. Then you want to drop down the menus, which you do by getting really close to the edge and clicking when you see that cursor. And then you want to plug in each one of these number to text into one of the displays. And you can close these up by again clicking in that one spot. Now the math block, you're going to want it to set it to division and 360 degrees. Then you will want to set the one that connects to the first number to the text block. You want to set it to line 1, or whichever line you're using for your motor, which, like for my example, B uses lines 1 and 2, and C uses lines 3 and 4. Now, it will, the first one you're going to want to make that connects to the first number to text. You're going to want to set X equals 68. Make sure clear, well, never mind. And then set it to the line you're using. The second one that connects to the second number to text, you're going to want to set it to the line below one. I mean, the line below from the other one. And make sure it's on text. Now, almost forgot, and set X to 74. Now you want to make sure that only display, the only first display has clear in it. This is to prevent flashing. If they were all at clear, it could cause some flashing. Then you'll need two other displays. You'll want to make sure that they're on text and clears off. And for both of these, X should equal 0. Then for the one you want to be at the same line as the first number to text. So since this one is at line 1, this one is also at line 1. And you want to type in the motor, A, B, or C, and then degrees. Then the one for the other number to text, you type in the motor, A, B, or C, and then rotations. Then if you want to add more motors, what I do is I click and hold, drag all the way so that way all the blocks have a blue highlight around them. Then you're going to want to hold down Control, press C, and then press V. Now at times you may have to fix the data wires if you see one broken like this. It's called a broken data wire, and it won't allow you to download the program as is with that. Then the only things you're going to change when you copy and paste is you're going to change the motor to whichever one you want to scan. Then you're going to change the line numbers of the displays. So like this one uses 3 and 4 instead of 1 and 2. And make sure none of them have clear on. Then the last optional is to add 3 other displays and then change them all to text, get off the clear, and then put in text to tell them that if you press the enter button, it resets the motors. Which, for my text, I put 2 clear, press, orange, for the first one. Then for the second one, orange, enter. And then for the third one, button, and then a period. Then on the second loop, the one that's nestled inside the other loop, you're going to want to change it from forever to sensor. You're going to want to change, instead of touch sensor, to NXT buttons. Then you're going to want to leave it at enter button. And then there you go. Now instructions on how to use this program is you're going to want to get your robot plugged in, press download. And then you're going to want to play the file on the robot. Then you're going to have to push on the robot a little bit, enough to make the wheels turn as you move it. Just don't press so hard that it breaks. And then move it along in a straight or a turn for recording. And then check out the degrees or the rotations. Now, normally I would say use the highest degrees or rotations given, because since you're having to push on it and it's not moving itself, it doesn't always turn the wheels. So normally, in most cases, it's not going to go as far as it needs to be. That is all I have to show about the programming and the instructions. Next comes the full demonstration.